Hi friend, how are you? Nice to meet you. Hi.
Hi friends. Hey Angel, what are we gonna do today? We're gonna have some fun. Some FUNventure. We're gonna have some fun. Some FUNventure. Woo!
Hola, boys and girls. Hello, boys and girls. How are you? That's good. Hey, Angel, you have a special delivery. Let me get it for you. Special delivery.
Oh, you have the Angel's Fun Bag. What's inside, Angel? Are you having trouble?
Yeah, I need help.
Sure, I'll help you. Let's see, boys and girls. Let's help Angel. Whoa! What is that? Let's see. It is a cash register. Wow! Awesome! It has 18 pieces and it develops imagination, creative play, and more. So use your imagination, boys and girls. You can have lots of fun with the cash register. And let's see what's included. It has one cash register with scanner, uno. It has 5 play foods, cinco. It has 6 play monies, seis. It has 3 coins, tres. 2 play cards, dos, and 1 basket. And it needs batteries. So boys and girls, make sure you get mommy and daddy to get a screwdriver for you so they can open it up, okay? Are you ready to have fun, Angel?
Yeah.
Okay, let's open it up. Sure, I can help you. Come on, boys and girls, let's help Angel. Hi friends, look at all the awesome stuff that the cash register comes with. Whoa, it comes with money, coins, 2 credit cards. It comes with some cake mix, some chocolate chip cookies. Yummy. And it comes with a basket. How cool is that? Angel, you want to turn on the cash register and show your friends how it works?
Yeah.
Oh, hey, open up the cash register. Whoa, put the money inside. Uno, dos, tres. Here's the money, sir. Awesome.
Hey, Angel, I have a great idea.
What?
I can be the customer and you can be the cash register guy.
Okay.
Okay, boys and girls, let's pretend. Let's have fun. Use your imagination. Okay, I'm ready. Hello, sir.
Hi.
Can I have a cake mix?
Okay. So,
Can you put it in my basket, please?
okay.
And can I have a lemon and some grapes, please?
Okay.
Thank you, sir. So kind. Okay. How much do I owe you, sir?
$1.
$1?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you charge it to my card, please?
Okay.
This is so much fun. I like pretending. Yay, it went through. Thank you so much, sir.
You're welcome.
See you later.
Bye.
Hi, boys and girls. We're gonna play pretend at the grocery fun store. And I'm gonna go shopping with my shopping cart. And we're gonna have fun. So, let's go. Oh, hello, sir.
Hi, Zeno.
I want to buy some groceries, please.
Okay,
Okay, what do you have?
I have tea.
Oh, wow. You have a lot of food, and I'm hungry. Oh, I like your basket. Okay, sir. So, can I have, let's see. He has strawberry, yogurt, grapes. He has some eggs, some veggies. He has some tea, some fish. He has some oatmeal and coffee. Okay, I decided. Sir, hello, sir. Can I have some yogurt, please?
Okay,
Can you help me put it in my cart?
okay.
Thank you. And can I have a carton of eggs, please, sir?
Okay.
Yes, that looks good. And can I have a tea, please?
Okay.
Yes, right there, sir. Okay. Thank you. So I have eggs, tea, and a yogurt. Okay. I think I'm ready to pay, boys and girls. Are you? Are we done? Okay, let's go. Let's go to the counter. Hi, sir. I would like to pay now.
Okay, we have some tea. We got some eggs. We got some yogurt.
How much is that, sir?
$100.
Whoa, $100?
Yeah.
Wow, that's a lot of money, but okay. I have my Fun Express card. Please charge it.
Show it.
Thank you, sir.
You're gonna put it in the slice pizza.
Thank you. Oh, he's such a nice man. Thank you so much. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Have a nice day.
Bye.
Bye.
Look, in the sky is a bird. It's a plane. No, it's Superman. Hello, boys and girls. Today, I'm going to the grocery fun store to get some groceries. Yes, I am Superman, but superheroes gotta eat too. So, let's go. Hello,
Hi.
I would like to get some groceries, please.
Okay.
Can you help me?
Right there.
Okay, let's see. What does Superman want to eat?
Achoo.
Oh, are you feeling okay?
No.
What's wrong?
I'm sick.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. I hope you feel better.
Okay.
Maybe you should get some tea. Tea is good for you. So, can I have a strawberry, please? And can I have 2 yogurts, please, sir?
Oh, my back.
And can I have a corn? Can I have broccoli?
Okay.
love eggplants. So let's see what we have inside, boys and girls. We have strawberries, eggplant, yogurt, corn, and broccoli. All healthy foods, boys and girls. Remember, boys and girls, always eat healthy and stay strong, okay? And listen to your mommy and daddy, because superheroes are great and you are all a superhero. Give yourself a hug. Okay, I'm gonna pay now. Let's go.
Will.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
I'm ready to pay now.
Okay.
All done. How much do I owe you, kind sir?
$20.
$20? Okay, don't worry. 'Cause Superman carries the Happy Bank card. Here you go, kind sir.
Thank you. This is your card. And money. Hey. Sorry. Here is a card and a money.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Okay, can you speed it up, please? Superman has a big job to do today. I have to save people.
I like this.
Thank you, kind sir. Okay, boys and girls, I have to go now. I have to save the day. Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye, Superman.
Bye-bye, kind sir.
Bye, Superman. Hi, Sam. Thank you for watching. If you want to see more, click the button right here. This is so much